DaVinci Lock started with solving one specific problem: to never again lose the ability to access a padlock. The problem with today's padlocks are you're either going to lose a key, forget a combination, or the battery in the Bluetooth lock is dead. With DaVinci Lock, we start with a high-quality mechanical combination lock that we produce. We engrave each lock with a unique QR code to identify that lock. And then we have an easy-to-use app to track the unlock code to each of your DaVinci locks. And whenever you need the unlock code, you can open the app and scan the QR code to get your combination immediately. And with our latest release, you don't even need to go into the DaVinci app. Just use your phone's camera and scan the QR code to get your combination. And of course, you could always just scroll through your list of locks. We want to make retrieving your unlock code as easy as possible. Need to change the unlock code? No problem. You can change it right on the lock as long as you have the current combination. Just remember to also update the lock to save its new unlock code in the app. With DaVinci, we succeeded in creating a solution to the access problem with today's locks. But we didn't stop there. We took it a step further and made it possible to share unlock codes. Want to give a buddy access to your tool shed to borrow a lawnmower? No problem. Have an Airbnb and need to share the unlock code to the owner closet to a maintenance vendor? Piece of cake. Have a bunch of kids that forget their combinations to the locks at their school? Problem solved. Run a landscape business and need to share unlock codes to different equipment for different employees? You're in luck. DaVinci Lock makes sharing unlock codes easy. Start by creating a location, then assign locks to that location, and then share them with whoever you want. And turn off sharing by the click of a button or set it to expire automatically after a certain time frame. We make it easy to manage a lot of locks across a lot of locations and people. DaVinci Lock isn't just an idea hoping to get funding. We started with providing our locks to the self-storage industry and are now used in 1 out of every 7 storage facilities in the country, with over 300,000 locks in use. DaVinci Lock is now turning to the everyday consumer to test product market fit as we strive to make the best product possible. Be one of the first to buy DaVinci Locks and start making your life easier by always having access to your locks when you need them. See our pricing page for the tremendous discount we're offering today. Locks are in inventory and ready to ship as soon as we end the campaign. Buy a DaVinci Lock and never buy a lock again.